Hello, class. I created this video to help with your 3-1 discussion assignment. I'm going to look at option 1, where we think about a population mean that you might be interested in. So here it looks like they talk about the number of times people went out to dinner. But I'm going to think about the weight of football players on my son's football team. My son plays AYF football. So I was thinking about the weight of those players. So let's open up StatCrunch when you have a moment. And maybe I'll add a title, and then underneath the title, I'll call the title weight of football players, and underneath I'll add the weights that that I suspect. All right, so here's the weight of the football players and just the random weights of 15 players. So if I want to, calculate a confidence interval, I can click Stat, and then we need a T-stat because we're doing a population mean. It's one sample. Now, we have the actual data, right? If you look, all of the data is listed out. Sometimes in StatLab, you'll get just an average. They'll say, oh, we surveyed 15 players and the mean was 175 pounds. And the standard deviation was blank. We didn't have the data summarized for us, so I'm going to actually press with data. And I'm going to use the weight of football players. That's where my data is stored. If you didn't add a title here, this would just simply say VAR and then wherever you placed your data. We want a confidence interval. Hypothesis tests will come next week. And then you can say, oh, what do I want, a 95% confidence interval or 98% or a 90% confidence interval? I'll use 95 for now. I'll press compute. And notice I have the standard error, the sample mean, the lower limit of my confidence interval, and the upper limit of my confidence interval. So perhaps when satisfying the prompt for the discussion 3-1 option 1, maybe you would think about including your summary data, right? I would like maybe you could take a picture of this table and include it, where you show me your lower limit, your upper limit, maybe you talk about the standard error, what was your sample mean, and so on. Was your results what you expected, and so forth. I'm also going to include another video in a separate discussion post that will also help with your week 3 discussion assignments. I hope all is well. Have a good day.